Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have an amazing new Marina Layout Pack we think you're going to love, so let's go ahead and check it out. This Marina Layout Pack is a breath of fresh air for all those full-service marinas out there looking for a top-notch design for their website. With dedicated page layouts for promoting all types of marina products and services, you can have your own website up and running in no time. And it includes a detailed pricing page layout to make it easier for customers to book a visit, and so much more. So go ahead and grab this pack so you can set sail with a new Marina website today. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new Marina Layout Pack on your own website. All right, so before you can start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. There, go ahead and click the Updates tab and make sure and enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. And after that, you will have access to all of our free pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder without any problems. And now our next step is to start creating our new pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages from the new Marina Layout Pack. So to get started, let's go to Pages, Add New. Let's give our page a title. Start with the home page and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option to choose a pre-made layout, and from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and find the new Marina Layout Pack and select it. There you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack, and once you find the one that you want, go ahead and click the Use This Layout button. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, feel free to make any edits that you want, and then don't forget to save it or publish it. And you'll want to continue the same process to create all of the remaining pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. And then once all of your pages have been created, you're ready for the next step, which is to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus, and go ahead and give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select those and then add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like, and then don't forget to set the display location as primary menu, and then save menu. After that, you're ready for the final step, which is to create a static page or a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page that you created. And then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new Marina Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Layout Pack, and don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.